So this is our Weber BBQ at home, and this is where it lives. And today I'm just going to give you a couple of hot tips on things you can do to make barbecuing easier. So you can see here that we actually use our barbecue quite a bit, and if you have a look under here you can see how disgusting it is. Although there's a drip tray down that hole, you can see the build-up that we get here. And the trouble is, after a while, that build-up can catch on fire and cause lots of issues. I'll show you a product that we've got from Barbecue Skins, which actually lines the barbecue and stops a lot of the, or all of the build-up coming in. If you're buying a new barbecue, it's a pretty good idea to use them. We're going to use it anyway because it's going to stop any flare-ups and gives us the ability to actually clean the barbecue. The skins come in a pack of 5 with some pretty good directions, and basically once you get your skins, there's one on top that's got directions. So basically you've just got to cut it in half along these red lines here, and then it'll actually fit the barbie. So all I had to do is actually put either side in, they join together, and that closes very nicely. If we want to do a steak, we use a plate like this, and it's just from Aldi, and it's non-stick. The trouble is, the flame is so far away from the base of this plate, it takes a long time to heat up and it doesn't really get that hot. So what we do is we take that away, we take the grill off like that, and then this plate actually fits perfectly into there. That's just perfect. That heats up really quickly and does a really good steak. So if you're using the Aldi heatable green, medium rare. So we'll see how that works. Yeah, I'm hungry.